Hey guys, I'm Lauren. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So let's just start off with this. I realized that I have not uploaded or taken the time to sit down and film a video in a few months, and that's not something that I'm proud of. By the time I actually upload this video to youtube.com, I'll probably be done with school by then. So with that being said, that will definitely give me a lot more time to actually film videos. The world is obviously very different now than any of us expected. This is not something that is ideal, but I'm making the best of it. Obviously, if you've seen the other videos that I make and post on my channel, you'll know that a lot of what I do with my time and a lot of what I enjoy is going to concerts, obviously. And with the situation that we're in right now, I can't really do that. I feel like that also comes in play with my YouTube, since that's been what I normally upload and what I feel like you guys like to see from me the most. I feel like that for the past few months has made me kind of take a break from this all, because I felt like I didn't really have any interesting to film that you guys would like to see. But after thinking about it and coming off of my YouTube break, I realized I don't want to put myself inside this box and limit myself to what kinds of videos I can post and upload. I want to explore all sorts of different horizons and try all sorts of genres. I'll still do a lot of my concert vlogs or reaction videos because I love doing those, and that honestly shapes my life music. But I hope you guys will also be open and understanding to seeing some different types of videos from me. That was a really long intro and really long rant about what I'm kind of going through. I think it's time to get into what this video is really about. My tips on how to not care what other people think of you. I think I'll just preface this by saying I tend to pride myself on thinking that I don't really care what other people think of me. This may sound cliche, but I think I normally march to the beat of my own drum and tend to just do my thing and keep to myself while everyone else does their things. I just like to think I do a pretty decent job at that, which is why I feel like I'm in a place where I can give you guys advice. What it really boils down to is that the majority of us care so much about what other people's opinions are and having that validation from other people. For example, if you're posting a photo on Instagram and you think you look good and you click and you post and you upload, and then you start scrolling through the comments and likes and you notice, hey, my crush didn't like or comment on this photo that I thought I looked good in. So that makes you start to question yourself and be like, am I not good enough? Why did my crush not like or comment on this? And that makes you want to have that validation from your crush telling you that you're beautiful, which is not healthy and not something that you should think or do at all. Your self-worth is not based on someone else validating you. You need to be happy enough in yourself, love yourself enough to not need those opinions and validations from other people. I know that is much easier said than done. It does take a lot to get to that place and that state of mind. But one thing I highly recommend is self-affirmations. So, when you wake up in the morning and go look in the mirror or something and tell yourself, I am beautiful, I am worthy, I deserve happiness, I deserve love, all sorts of other positive self-affirmations that you could ever tell yourself. I think also writing post-it notes of self-affirmations and sticking them on the wall in your room, waking up and reading them each day is also another good thing that can help you with those. I'll also put this in perspective by giving another example. If you're trying to choose out an outfit for school and there's this one outfit that you really like and would really like to wear, but then you start to question it, if you think you look cute in your outfit and you like it, go ahead and wear it. Own it. Be proud in it, embrace yourself. It's okay. If someone else doesn't like it, that's okay. That's not your problem. That's their problem. I think another really good situation I could give you guys is being a YouTuber, me starting my YouTube channel, every other YouTuber starting their channels. This is not something you traditionally think of someone doing. The first video I ever posted of myself, I cringe at myself all the time, especially when editing, and I really question why other people actually want to click on the video and watch it. I think of myself like that. When I think of people that I know, my friends watching my videos, I feel like they watch my videos and are so embarrassed to be friends with me, and I'm like, oh no. At the end of the day, this actually is something that I love to do. It's kind of crazy. I'm putting myself online for so many people in the public eye. When I'm actually filming it, it's just me and the camera. I really do love the actual filming. I really do enjoy editing too, even if I don't like the aspect of watching myself back. If I had let what I think others think of me, or what other people actually think about me and say about my videos, get to my head and get to my mind, then I never would have posted that first video, and I never would be here right now talking about this and posting this. And it goes to say, if you're doing something that you love, or if you're like wearing clothes that you love, or if you think you're beautiful and you're not doing anything to harm other people, keep doing you. It really does not matter what someone else thinks of you. We all have to accept the fact that not everyone is gonna like you. That's okay, as there are people who love you for you and who won't want you to change or do something differently for them. And those are the people that you should stick around and keep in your life. That's all I really have to say, at least for now. If I have any more thoughts about this pop up, I'll probably write about it a little in the description, and you guys can all comment with each other in the comments, share positive comments only. It's like a back and forth discussion. I really don't know how long this was. I was probably rambling for a lot of it, so I hope it's understandable for you guys what I'm kind of trying to say. I hope this video helped you guys in a way. These are videos I would have always wanted to see growing up, getting that advice from someone who I look up to. I always only wanted that, and that's what I want to do through doing YouTube. I absolutely cherish making people happy, having a positive impact on people, making them smile, making them feel inspired, and making them aware of their own self-worth. That's really why I enjoy doing this. I never came into this for the numbers or wanting to be famous or whatever. I just do it because I truly enjoy it, and it's something that I'm passionate about, and it's something that I hope I will continue to do for quite a while, hopefully my whole life. I know at the beginning I was saying how I haven't really been uploading, especially because I'm now on summer break by the time that this is uploaded. Be on the lookout for so many countless uploads from me. I should probably stop talking now because you guys are probably tired of hearing me, but if you enjoyed this video and it helped you in any sort of way, like, comment, subscribe, follow my social medias in the description below, and I'll see you guys with more videos.